All right, today we're going to be checking a capacitor under load on a heating and air system here. All we're going to need is just our multimeter and then the unit. It's going to need to be running though. In order to test this thing under load, we need the air conditioner to be running. So I'm going to go ahead and get this air conditioner running. We'll get a couple of readings off of it, do a quick little math formula, and we'll have our answer. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to get our multimeter set for volts, AC, and we're going to check between common and Herm. We got 366. And then we're going to take our multimeter, set it for amps, and we're going to check Herm. And we got 6.52. So we take those and we enter them into the formula here of 2,652 divided by the volts multiplied by the amps will give us our actual MFD, microfarads. So on this specific one, we're at 47.2 under load. It is rated for 45, so we are good to go.